Hello. So today let's look at the application method field on customer card. So without further delay, let's get on to the Business Central and navigate to customer card. So under the payments tab, we have a field called application method, and the tooltip mm, specifies how to apply payments to entries for this customer. So it has two options. One is manual and the second one is apply to oldest. So if we select manual, then payments are only applied if you specify a document against that payment. If you select apply to oldest, in that case, if you do not specify a document for that payment to be applied, then the payments are applied to the oldest of that customer's open entries. So there will be two scenarios for that apply to oldest. So the first one is first invoice will be posted and then payment. So the second scenario will be first payment will be posted and then invoices. So in these two scenarios is how does it work? So I already created two customers with application method apply to oldest, and for this I posted some invoices. So you can see two invoices that have remaining amount. And the second customer with application method apply to oldest. And for this one, I posted a payment. So for the first customer, let's post the payment and see how does it work. So let's search for cash receipt journal. And select document type as payment and account type as customer and account number as the first customer that we created. And now I want to post like $2,005 payment. So I will enter $2,500 and I'm not selecting any applies to document here. And now when I post the payment against that customer, so let's see what impact it has on that customer. Now, if we go to the customer card, now we can see that it has only payment with remaining amount as 1,119 out of that 2,500. So it applied the amount against the two invoices that we posted earlier. So now we can see these two invoices are knocked off against that single payment. So similarly, if we post invoices for the second customer, let's see how it will work. So open the sales orders. So create a sales order for that second customer. And I'm going to post the same invoices that I posted for the first customer. So the first one is 1000.80. So now when I post this one, so I have done some customization. So that's why it is printing the document. And then I will post another invoice for the same customer with quantity 2. Now let's go to the customer, and it also has the balance. Now if we go and check the applied entries, it automatically applied the payment to the newly posted invoices. So and these two are knocked off, and the payment amount is still open for that 1119. So if you compare these two, the balance is still same.